yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Yak dang. Look here today. I'm doing Coakley's BBQ Sauce review, which means I can't review it unless I actually put it on the meat. I got some serious meat going on today, and I'll show you what we got going on as we go. Chef Bourque, I'll talk with you later. I got to slap some meat on that grill. Thank you. Right here, I got that pulled little thigh meat. That's gonna be making me a Poboy after a while. Working by myself today. I usually have a little sous chef around here. Alright, now I'm going to let this I'm going to just leave just like it is. It's still a little bit frozen, but seasoned already. That's my crawfish. Today I'm making some, I'll be making some crawfish and chicken poboy. Barbecue poboy, because I'm going to have a little Coakley sauce in there. Today I'm dedicating this pit here, this barbecue cook-off here. I'm having my own cook-off with myself. I'm dedicating this here to Mr. Coakley today. I'm gonna put a little of Lloyd's stuff in my crawfish. So this is barbecued chicken and crawfish poboy. All right. Now this sauce has some mango in it. Reading up on that, and I tell you what, mango, I love mango already. And the being a sauce, I mean, I just think that's put that chicken thigh meat in there, and chop them onions on that French bread. Hot. Get in there, boy. Tell you what, if you can smell this barbecue sauce, this is really what this is about right here. Crawfish. Let me tell you what, right now, getting it together. Still got a few little thighs on here, but I'm shutting this thing down. I got a French bread here. That's for old John with his crawfish and thigh meat in there. And Coakley BBQ sauce, and I tell you, and some raw onions. Tell you what, that's awesome. Right now, I just can't help myself. I just can't help myself. I got to get me some of this straight wing. Damn, that's good. Ooh. Lord, you outdid yourself, buddy. You just outdid yourself. This review for Coakley's BBQ sauce is a positive. If you can get it, get it. Go to Lloyd Coakley. Hold on, I'll tell you what it is. www.coakleysbbqsauce.com or Google it. The man got the stuff. Where's my beer? I'll see y'all later. Ooh, Lord, this is just too good. Where's old John?
Chef Bourque made frog legs wonderful with Coakley BBQ sauce.
Well, thank you, brother. I got a. I went ahead and did a video of me actually making them things. So hey, that might be in there if we got enough time.
All right.
Anyway, one thing, John, you know, I got you this crawfish and thigh meat and Coakley BBQ Sauce, Poboy.
All right.
Crawfish tails. Like
All
I
right.
said, serious sauce deserves serious meat.
That's right.
All right. Hey, this Chef Bourque. And
No airtime, John.
that's it. And look, we shutting this puppy down. Aieee, oh yeah, baby. What you gotta say, Johnny?
Hot damn.
Hot damn. Okay, we done.